ZoneAdds, World of Local Business Info.
Lion Dr. Hemant Garu and Lion Dr. Lakshmi Garu. Congratulations to the newly installed team of Lions Club Bhavana and Lions Club of Sunrisers. Today's chief guest, Lion Chitti Prakash Garu, PMJF and multiple council chairperson, senior Lion leaders on the dais and off the dais. Namaste. My name is Lion Raghavendra Rao, the current district treasurer. I convey my hearty congratulations to the past PSTs of the Lions Club Bhavana for their all services to the district, and I also would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to the newly installed team of Lions Club of Bhavana and Lions Club of Sunrisers. Taking all this into mind, as we have a new district in place, I request the president, secretaries and all the line leaders of these two clubs to kindly motivate your members and get them to the district convention. This will be our first district convention with all their members in place. So I would like to thank you one and all for all the kind cooperation you have provided in the last 1 year for all the service activities, and look forward for much more and better performance with the great leadership you have. So thank you and all. I like to convey my thanks to the new PSTs and congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, DCT, and on behalf of
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.